And then you turn right next this light next to this.
That light.
No, I'm just kidding. We are going, guys, so I guess I see you in the house, in the other house, because yeah, I have to drive. It's 7:30 already and we have to catch her dialysis. But anyway, good morning. Yep, I will see you with Tommy. So hi guys, I'm here, just got in, pero si Tommy nasa taas pa. Tommy's upstairs. I'm not gonna bother him. I think he's still sleeping, but anyway, so ito yung binili ko sa Walmart, guys. $5 siya. $5 lang siya. May blue, pink, at saka red, at saka burgundy. But anyway, I like the burgundy. Tommy went to the shower, guys. Hold on, guys. I'm waiting for the UPS. So I'm hungry. I cannot wait. So what I'm gonna do is have thin Oreo. I hope this is still good. Tignan natin ha kung okay to ba siya. I know it's been here a long time ago, but I think Oreo doesn't go bad, right? It's milk. I love mint, yeah. Still good. Nagutom lang talaga ako. So inside niya is very thin. And it's mint. I'm watching the Jessica Soho, yung kay Ramram, diba? Yung bata na wala. Tignan ko muna, guys. Almost, it's 12:48 already.
So let's get lunch and then we'll go pick her up.
Okay. We are going to pick up lunch. I told Tommy I don't want any lunch anymore. I'm in diet, baby. Huh? I'm gonna eat mukbang one time and diet, baby. Do you have your hairbrush, hon? We're here at the bank. Tommy is going to deposit something. But every time he turned the AC on, it's just splashing wind up crazy. Ay, katulugon ko, guys. Katulugon man ko, guys. I woke up early this morning, like 5 o'clock. And then I go back to sleep. And then I don't hear anything downstairs. I don't hear anything downstairs this morning. So I get down at like 5:30 and to check if my mother-in-law's awake. But she, oh my god, when I go downstairs, she's already dressed. And she's already dressed and makeup on. But she's going back lying down in bed and sleeping because it's still very early, and I guess she woke up very early and, you know, get ready. And she had breakfast, she had her coffee. I know it because she washed her dishes. She washed her dish, what she used. So I said, oh my god, and she's sleeping with makeup on. And
I said something.
Yeah, you told me. Let me check online. Guys, every time we eat something, guys, everything is like a freaking burger. The time we want Burger King in Burger King. Okay, let me go to my GPS.
Drop them out.
Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Drop the meal. Are you kidding me? Look at, guys, you want me to drop the meal? Ay, nako. My legs is giving up. I cannot even run anymore. My legs is giving up, guys. I cannot run anymore. It's, oh, watch out.
I want to get before.
And then you turn right next this light next to this.
That light.
No, I'm just kidding. How long? This is, huh?
Sanford Boulevard.
E3rd Boulevard.
What?
Street. E3rd Street Boulevard.
East 3rd Street?
Yeah. Burger King, guys. Okay, let's go. This is done. Tommy, what price?
I'm sorry, I had to tell the camera first.
Yeah. The camera is first. Oh, what the frick? Price.
The voice is getting nearer. Heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going. Why we gotta feel amplified? Stay till the morning. Countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all that
We're back. Yeah, just get back. We're waiting for like an hour for her dialysis. So.
See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going. Why we gotta feel amplified? Staying till the morning, countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind your eyes. We gotta take the chance to make it now. Let the love begin. Let the light come shining. Touch me now. I don't want to feel lonely, but I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly. Were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. If I knew the way, the right thing.
Okay guys, magbisaya ako ha. I'm gonna talk Bisaya, but I will try to itatry ko lang ma-translate in English or Tagalog, whatever, whichever I can afford in my freaking brain. My brain is unaffordable. Naku guys. But anyway, so anyway guys, alam mo ba Bisaya ha? Kabalo ba mo nga kanang pag mag-inusara gani ko, kapag mag-inusara gani ko ang akong pirmi mahuna-hunaan guys, kanang kuan atong sa bukid pa ko, balik-balik naman ko guys, no, balik-balik, pero ito mao man gud ni pirmi ako mahuna-hunaan gud, labi na kanang mag-inusara ko nya akong mamingawan ko sa akong mga igsoon ba, katong among pagpanginhas, you know, manginhas og mga kinhason. Ay, kuha ko kabalo guys, kung kabalo ba mo kung saan ang manginhas sa sapa unya. Pag manginhas, di ba kanang nay murag kinhason nga talinis kay globot unya, gamayon siya murag may nga ay ang pinakadako siguro ingon ani sa akong tudlo unya di ba imo man na palibangon o di man na nimo palibangon, imo nang putlo ng ikog ba, butangan ni kuanan nimo para na ay lusutan or na ay bangag ba ang salubot, na anay bangag pagtan nimo isa kung jud nimo to hugasan nimo nagtakto sakto unya imo tong lami kay na siya guys, kanang lami kay na siya, kanang tunuan og kanang kauban sa pako. Og naapoy akong sige mahunahunaan guys, ang akong lola katugan ni namatay akong nanay, among lola ba itong namatay. Ganahan po ko kung magluto siya og dahon sa gabi. Magluto sa dahon sa gabi unya. Iya man na lain man akong nanay kay iya man na ibulad sa init unya. Iya day na hinluan unya, iya day tong lukot-lukoton. Iya day pag human niya og lukot-lukot kay iya pag iya na tong lutoon di niya ukayon, pasagdan na to niya takloban niya, di niya ukayon kay kuan si tawag ani magkatol manggod siya guys kung imuhang ukayon mo tong ganahan kay kunya butangan ni nanay og kuan kanang gagmay nga buwad gani, mga dilis, mga gagmay nga buwad ay lami kaayo kinabuhi sa bukid nindot. Lahi ra jud kung bisan pag naa ka sa gawas, naa ka sa abroad unya, hayahay na imong kinabuhi unya. Imong bana kortahan nya, nindot na imong kinabuhi, di na mo wa na lisod. Ang imong yung mahinumduman, ang imong yung pirmi mahinumduman is kanang katong kinabuhi nimo sa una, mga kagahapon, di kagahapon sa gugma ko, an kagahapon ba. Ang ako pirmi unaan kay ang mga kaon man sa Pinas, kabalo na mo guys, dako ko kaon nung ni akong naunaan. Kanang mga sudan ba sa ato nga di makalimtan ka sa bukid nga sudan. Nya, mahilig ang akong mama o papa kay mahilig sila guys og kanang mga gulay oy. Akong mama hilig kay gulay jud. Mama magsige. Kakuan mo guys kanang dahon sa udlot gani sa gabi. Kanang ugat sa gabi ba? Ay naku, kakuan mo. Akong mama guys, sus Ginoo ko adik. Iyahan ang sabawon. Ay naku. Kanang di ba ang gabi dili sa karlang kanang gabi ba? Ugat sa gabi di ba gagmay man na siya. Kauna mo na nya hinluan nimo na mura siya og batong imong tagud-taguron nya. Kuan gulay yun ni mama, butang danlog-danlog na siya sa gulan pag yun niya alubati, sa butangan niya ukra. Unyang wala man misuka guys, wala misuka. Kabalo ba mo siya mong suka? Ang sabaw, gilawoy ni mama. Mo toy butangan na mo asin, mo toy feeling na mo suka, nya butang og sili, mo nang hilig ko og sili guys. Mo nang hilig ko og sili kay akong mama magpapahilig og sili kanang wa man misuka, may kapalit og suka, ang amo ang suka. Katong nay kuan, sabaw sa kuan, sabaw sa lawoy. Nya butangan na mo asin, butangan na mo kuan, sili, mura na siya suka lagi mo tay among kibali tusluanan. Muna siya nya mingaw ba. Gusto ko pag makauli og Pilipinas no. Otro na ko uli Pilipinas. Gusto na ako nga kanang mo puyo jud ko dito ba nya. Karon nga nag-vlog na jud ko nga pure vlog na jud. Gusto na ako nga magpuyo dito. Hindi magpuyo, mag-stay dito mga duha ka gabi unya. Ang kanang tiro adlaw manghuan lang mga pangbukid nga sudan ba. Unya kanang kalinayan, dugay na ko kakaog kalinayan. Anyway guys, naay school bus sa akong unahan maunang hunong ko dire. Basta magsunod kag school bus dire unya, ang school bus mo hunong unya, sige lang guys, stop sign kada kanto. Ma-traffic, ma-stuck jud ka. Kay sige lang nga hunong. Munang pag akong bana gani mag-drive, tami gani mag-drive, ay nako. Mo mangita gyud na siya pamaagi nga mangita siya pamaagi nga sa lain siyang dalan mo agi kay di siya ganan magsunod og school bus. Labi nagting klase, ay nako. Pagsunod ka school bus, sige lang kagahunong. Hinay pag na magpa-drive para sa safety ba sa mga bata. Magkabuang na ko nag-translate oy. I'm choking on my own saliva, in my own burp, or choke myself. Go pee, yes, go pee na. Go pee. Go pee. Look, this is peeing. Good girl needs. Good this. Yeah. Oh, daddy's not here. Where are they? Yeah, mama needs to go upstairs. Mama's going to change to short. I'll be right back. Roxy doesn't like the word I'll be right back. Mister, I'll be right back, Mitch. Mitiko, I'll be right back, okay? It's really nice up there guys. Tignan nyo yung cloud guys, so pretty. Okay, I'm just going to edit some videos, guys, and I'm gonna end this vlog. And ito lang, guys, i-end ko lang itong vlog na to ngayon. And kita-kits bukas, guys, okay? Kita-kits bukas because I have to edit. Today is Monday, actually. Yan. And it's 7:44, and si Tami nanonood ng TV at saka humihiga lang siya kasi sa headache. May headache yung tao. Kita-kits bukas. Bukas na lang ulit. And thank you, guys. Salamat sa panonood. Always thank you for watching my videos. And I really do appreciate it. And I hope I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Huh? You burned it? Yeah, I smell it.